Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for Bitcoin versus the dollar. The date is May 17th, 2020. It's 11:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We're looking at the weekly Bitcoin USD chart here. So it's Sunday. This weekly candle, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. This candle right here I'm looking at, this bullish candle, this is going to close today. I believe it's about 4 p.m. My time. So this today and the next few days really are a moment of truth for Bitcoin. So this is where it really matters. Over the last couple years, it's all come down to now. So we've been talking the last few weeks about Bitcoin being stuck in a wedge, right? So we think about this. I'm going to make my chart a little messy here. Sorry, but I just want to illustrate. Right? Price has been in this wedge, if you will, for quite a long time. Now, price has the opportunity over the next few days, couple weeks, to break out of this wedge. So if we were to take off this trend line and just look at things from a purely like tabletop format, if you will, we see heavy resistance at 10,000. So this 10,000 range to about 10,500, maybe even 11,000. This goes back all the way to late 2017 as being a point of interest, right? That first big sell-off in December of 2017 came down to about 10,000 before rocketing back up. Tested several times over the years, tested again. That was our most recent high of 2020. It was in early February when we 10,000 saw our next big sell-off. So here we are again. So a couple scenarios. Price continues in this ascending channel and pops above 10,000, and then the bulls are back on. Okay, so a close above 10,000 means bullish breakout. Like if prices really next week move above 10,000 and stay there, and another big sell-off does not occur, that's looking really strong for the bullish scenario for Bitcoin versus the dollar, which would influence the entire crypto market. The other thing that can happen is that we see our next big sell-off, price continues back down to 8,000, continue being stuck in this wedge. So let's go ahead and while we're here, get a little bit more granular. Okay, here's today's candle, shaping up pretty strong. Just recently, last week, hit that mark and then the sell-off. Now this is a pretty fast-moving uptrend. So that, like I said before, the moment of truth is really occurring. Will prices indeed stay above here? Because we see, like the last time this happened, it moved above 10,000, 10,400, and it hung for a couple days. It tried for about a week. So here we see a big sell-off. Here's another big sell-off. Here's another sell-off, but less this time. And now we've got some fast-moving bull. We're at 98.50 as I cut this video. Let's go ahead. I want to see if we can get some volume on this. So far, buying pretty light. If we go back, it's hard to see with this chart, but we see here, in this last big dip, major buying. So I believe we could see either something's going to happen. We're going to see a lot of volume. When volume gets down to about nothing, breakouts imminent. So we're either going to see prices sell off here soon, or then just kind of blow through the roof. So once again, hold above 10,000, bullish. The only thing that would make me bearish at this point, so it's not a proven bull. Bearish though would have to be below 7,000, but that's a long way from occurring. So bearish below 7,000. But right now, that's fairly unlikely that we'll see that happen. We go here. The other scenario, just like we've seen over a lot of things, a lot of markets, is that we could be just stuck in this sideways range. So we could see prices float between 10,000 and 7,200. So just be cautious. I would encourage you not to buy at the top, just in case things do turn around. unless we see proven price action, prices sustained above 10,000. Then you can feel a little bit more confident about moving into that trade. All right, everyone. Well, it looks like exciting for the first time in years. We could see some more hot action on the crypto market. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, have a great week. Hope you make a lot of profit trading. Talk soon.